Ah, a turtle.
Hi, Count. This is Seymour, my new pet.
Wonderful. I love to count turtles.
But there's only one turtle here to count.
Right. That's one terrific turtle.
Wow. Well, he is terrific, all right, Count.
But that's not all.
You mean there's more turtles?
No, but there is more on a turtle to count. Like this.
Yeah, we could count the shell. Okay, let's count with the count.
Yes. Count with me. That is one. One shell.
Whoa.
And look what he has on his shell.
Oh, yeah, spots.
Let's count the spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 spectacular spots.
Did you hear that, Seymour? You have spectacular spots.
Don't stop now. There's still more to count.
Oh, yeah? Well, let me guess. His legs.
Oh, Big Bird, you catch on fast. Let's count his legs.
Okay.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4. 4 fantastic legs.
Yes, 4 fantastic legs.
And how many heads does he have? 1.
One really cute head. Look what he's doing now with his really cute head.
It looks like he hears something.
Monster time! Monster time! Monster time! Monster time! Monster time! Monster
Seymour, you don't have to be afraid. It's just monster time.
Yes, that's 1 monster, 2 monsters,
There you go.
3 monsters, 4 monsters, 5 monsters, 5 furry monsters.